Hello and welcome to the topic language teaching. In this lesson, we will talk about various terminological differences which are very important, very essential for us to understand both as teachers and as learners. So they are: the first one is approach, second one is method, third is technique, fourth is procedure, and fifth one is design. They are really very important, and let's talk each one of them in detail. So let's first talk about what is approach. It is a way of doing a thing. It is a way of dealing with a problem. We have some more points about approach. It shows the path, but it is not a path in itself. In the field of language teaching, it shows the way the subject matter is to be taught. We have some more ideas about approach. Teaching approach is a set of principles, beliefs, or ideas about the nature of learning. An approach is a way of looking at teaching and learning. We have some more ideas to talk about. Language teaching approach is a theoretical view of what a language is and of how it can be learned. An approach gives rise to methods, the way of teaching something, but is not method in itself. Now we will move on to the next item, that is to say, method. What is it? Method is a plan. In other words, we can say it is a definite path. We have some more ideas about method. We can also say it is a sure way to move on. In language teaching, method implies a law or a rule. Let's see some more points about method. In fact, a method is the practical implementation of an approach. A teaching method is a set of instructions. Let's talk more about this method. It includes class participation and demonstration. Language teaching method helps in orderly presentation of language materials. Let's talk about next point, that is to say the third point, technique. Teaching technique is a particular trick. It is used to achieve an immediate goal. We have some more points about technique. A technique is how we implement method into practice. Teaching techniques in this sense are part and parcel of teaching process. For sure, they are very important. We have some more ideas about technique. Techniques are the actual moment-to-moment classroom steps that lead to a specified outcome. For instance, when using videos, teachers often use a technique called silent viewing, which consists of playing the video without sound and asking students to figure out what the characters are saying. This could be one of the techniques, and there are many techniques, in fact, teachers apply during the course of their teaching process. We have some more points, that is the fourth one, procedure. Procedures are the most practical aspect of language teaching. Procedures are the actual use of various skills in teaching a language. We have some more ideas about procedure. In fact, there are three components to procedures that a teacher needs to keep in mind, and they're very important. The first point is procedures involve teaching activities such as drills and discussion. Second point, procedures show how a teaching activity is used, whether cooperatively or individually. The third one, procedures include how feedback is given. Let's talk more about procedure. In fact, procedure includes three most important aspects, and the first one is presentation, second one is practice, and the third one is evaluation. Let's see what do you mean by presentation. Presentation basically refers to sharing information with the learners in the classroom. As about practice, this may take the form of assignments, and as for evaluation, providing students questions with correct answers as guidance at the end of the lesson. Now, the last one, that is to say design. What is design? Teaching designs refer to a sort of planning of a lesson. But, well, it is more than planning. Why? Because it incorporates some distinctive kinds of problems and ways of dealing with them. We have some more points about design. Design uses a distinctive mode of thought. It employs a set of tools and methods. Design of a lesson guides us in the way we set up physical and digital environments in the classroom for better learning experience. We have some more points about design. It makes us organize division of labor in the classroom. That is to say, how to divide the time in the classroom for various aspects of teaching materials. Design sets the criteria for selection and organization of linguistic materials. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.